Using your Fire tablet, set up switch access. Welcome to your Fire tablet. This video explains setting up switch access on your Fire tablet. Switch access allows you to use compatible Bluetooth devices as switches to navigate and interact with your Fire tablet version 6 and higher. This is particularly useful for people with a mobility disability, allowing them to control their tablets through one or more switches. A switch is a general term for input devices and can be used to select items, scroll, enter text, and more. Common compatible switches include the button, sip and puff, and blink switches. To get started, first make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, navigate to Settings on the home screen and select Connected Devices. Put your Bluetooth switch control in pairing mode. Since all switch controls are different, it's important to note that engaging pairing mode and other setup experiences may vary depending on which device you have. Refer to the device manufacturer's instruction if needed. On your tablet's Connected Devices screen, select Pair New Device. You should see your switch device listed under Available Devices. Tap your switch device name to pair. Navigate back to Settings, Accessibility, and down to Interaction Controls. Tap Switch Access, then toggle on to activate. This will open a switch access setup wizard that will walk you through several steps. First, choose number of switches, depending on the type of device you use. Then choose how you'd prefer to scan: linear scanning, row-column scanning, or group selection. Continue following steps in the setup wizard and select your preferences for different actions like Next, Select, and Auto Scan. Finally, choose your scanning speed. You can test your setup by playing a game of tic-tac-toe. Your switch setup is now complete. A switch access menu is available at any time, appearing at the top middle of the screen while scanning. This menu provides quick access to commonly used actions like back, home, and volume controls. You can also set up Tap to Alexa, which lets you interact with Alexa using on-screen tiles. To enable Tap to Alexa, navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Tap to Alexa, and then toggle on the setting. When you turn on Tap to Alexa, a finger icon will appear in Switch Quick menu. Select this icon to open Tap to Alexa. On the Tap to Alexa home screen, you can select default tiles to find out the weather, set a timer, or listen to the news. You can select the Ask Alexa tile to type in a request as you would with voice. For example, Alexa, what are some dinner ideas? Use the text-to-speech tile to type a word or phrase to be spoken aloud. Like, how many want pizza? The Add New tile to create a custom tile that invokes your most frequently used Alexa interaction, like check the Seahawks score. Go through the steps to select an icon and give the tile a name. This can also be used to create a custom text-to-speech tile of your most frequently used words and phrases, like Go Seahawks. Select an icon and give the custom tile a name, like Cheer. Interested in learning more about your Fire tablet? Watch our videos, use Switch Access scanning features, and read a Kindle book with Switch Access. For more how-to videos and information about accessibility, visit amazon.com/accessibility.